To maximize the benefits of a premium investment subscription, it's essential to understand the features that come with it. This subscription, which costs $5 per month, offers several advantages beyond a standard account, including a 4.9% per annum interest rate on uninvested cash, professional-grade research reports, Level 2 market data, margin investing, and larger instant deposits. One way to take advantage of this subscription is to earn cash income with the 4.9% per annum interest rate. By keeping extra, uninvested cash in the account, it's possible to earn interest daily, essentially using it as a higher yield savings account alternative while waiting for investment opportunities. For instance, keeping $10,000 in cash can earn approximately $490 per year, which is almost enough to cover 8 years of subscription fees. Another option is to use margin responsibly to boost returns. With this subscription, it's possible to access margin investing after depositing $1,000 of personal funds, allowing for borrowing to buy more stocks and potentially increasing gains. However, it's crucial to remember that margin can also magnify losses, so it's essential to use it with a solid strategy and risk control. Additionally, the Level 2 market data provided can help trade smarter by offering real-time order book depth, which is useful for placing smart limit orders, spotting support and resistance zones, and timing entries and exits more accurately. This feature is particularly beneficial for data traders or active swing traders. The subscription also offers larger instant deposits, making deposited funds available immediately, even before they clear. This can be particularly useful for time-sensitive trades. To determine whether the subscription is worth the cost, it's essential to consider whether the features, such as earning 4.9% per annum on $2,000 or more, are sufficient to cover the monthly fee. For intermediate and advanced investors, the research and margin features can add significant value, making the subscription a worthwhile investment.